In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Gemini. Whether you're wrapping up your day or just looking to switch accounts, it's important to ensure you've logged out securely. So, let's dive in and see how it's done. We'll start with opening up your favorite web browser. Once you're there, head on over to Google. This is our starting point for reaching the Gemini platform. Simply type Google Gemini into the search bar, a quick and straightforward search that should direct you right to where we need to be. After you type in Google Gemini, hit the search button. The results will pop up, and you should spot the official Google Gemini website among them. Clicking on this link will take you to the Gemini homepage. If you're unfamiliar with Gemini, it's part of Google's suite and can be used for various services. It's always a good idea to bookmark the page for quicker access in the future, especially if you find yourself using Gemini frequently. Once you're on the Gemini page, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see your profile icon or avatar. This is your access point for logging out. Go ahead and click on your profile. It will open up a menu with various account options. In this drop-down menu, you will find the option that reads, Sign out of all accounts. Clicking this will log you out of your Gemini session and any other Google accounts you have logged into on this browser. Make sure to give it a confirmed click, which will ensure you've been securely logged out. Remember, logging out when you're done using services, especially on shared or public devices, is an important security measure. It helps protect your personal information and keeps your account safe from unauthorized access. If you're switching to another account, this safeguard will ensure a clean transition. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Gemini. This process doesn't take much time, and with practice, it becomes second nature. If you have any more questions about logging out or any other features on Gemini, feel free to explore additional resources or drop us your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. Subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay secure and take care.